Good morning from the Winnis Valley. I'm here to check out some stuff for an estate sale that's coming up. And a pre-look at what's going on and what they'll have for sale. CJ climbed up on this mower. He thinks he's gonna drive it. Anyway, this mower is for sale. There's a lot of stuff in here that will be for sale at the state sale. I guess it's like first weekend of October. The Zuzu pickups for sale, has low miles on it, the way I understand, at least. And this motorhome right here. That's pretty nice inside. Here's an old Singer sewing machine, pretty cool. Yeah, they got a bunch of paint. Still have to go through and organize this stuff so people can view it and see what they want to buy. Right now they're not even sure what's all here. They have like 2 pressure washers. This one looks a little newer. They have a toboggan and a cool old sled and a nice old table. Here's an old radio. And they got toys. And a sprayer, bench grinder, saw. Here's one of the rooms inside the house. Got a lot of stuff. I believe most of the stuff in the house is for sale, other than maybe the appliances. I think you said this was a 96, like 60,000 miles on it. This will be for sale. All right, that was a sneak preview of the sale, which will be the first weekend of October, be Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. For more information, you can give them a call or look them up on Facebook. Hidden Treasures Estate Sales. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.